Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix meta verification not available on Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open Instagram app, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on your profile, and then you have to tap on three lines and go to settings. And first method is guys, you have to make sure that if your account is creator, just simply you have to make your account creator and then go back from here, and after that make sure that you have an updated version. If you don't have, just simply you have to update your Instagram app and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to open Instagram app again, and just simply you have to tap on your profile here and then tap on three line and then tap on settings, and just simply have to tap on account. And from here guys, you have to make sure that you have requested for verification. Just simply you have to fill this form, and after that you can easily see meta verification. If it's still not working for you guys, then let me tell you that you have to change your name as your ID name. Okay guys, you have to set your profile name as your ID name. Okay guys, and after that you have to make sure that you are over 18. If you are not over 18 and want to get verified on Instagram, then it's not possible for you. Okay guys, you have to make 4 or 3 things clear that you are over 18 and your profile picture name is also as same as your profile ID name, and make sure that you have requested for verification, and also make sure that your app is also updated. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.